With Zoom's remote screen control feature, you can give or receive full access to another user's computer, including their keyboard and mouse. To enable or disable remote control, log into your Zoom app or web portal. Click on your profile icon and open Settings. Go to the Share Screen tab, scroll down, click on Advanced, and enable the remote control feature for all participants. Make sure screen sharing is allowed for all participants. If you want to give someone remote control during a meeting, start sharing your screen, click Remote Control, and select the user you want to give access to. They can now control your screen and use your keyboard. To stop the session, click Remote Control again and select Stop Remote Control. To request control of another participant's computer, wait until they share their screen. Click View Options at the top of your meeting window, choose Request Remote Control, and click Request in the pop-up window. Once the other user accepts, you'll be able to control their screen. To stop, click Give Up Remote Control.